Proven experience, trusted performance. Amphibious Indonesia. Amphibious Indonesia continues to support its strategic water infrastructure projects. These highlights represent our capabilities, reliability, and contribution to sustainable water management. AI0220 SHL. Long-arm amphibious excavator supporting large-scale river dredging and capacity improvement. Supporting deep dredging operations and long-reach excavation to improve river depth and capacity. Ensuring the river's role as a vital waterway for community and economic activities. AI025PC. A compact solution for urban drainage, supporting flood control in dense areas. Designed for confined work areas, allowing operations to run without disrupting urban activities and surrounding environments. AI025HX. Designed for narrow waterways, ensuring precise canal maintenance and effective sediment management in the capital city. Supporting the sustainability of urban drainage systems amid dense metropolitan infrastructure. AI028SHSL. A stable, high-performance unit supporting large-scale canal normalization and optimization of urban water flow, contributing to the continuity of water flow in strategically important areas of the capital. AI025SKL. Built for irrigation networks and agricultural waterways, ensuring reliable water distribution across industrial and farming regions. Supporting agricultural productivity and maintaining balance in regional water demand. AI025CT. Supporting drainage and canal maintenance in coastal and industrial areas while enhancing water system resilience. Supporting the unique challenges of island-based regions through dynamic and sustainable water infrastructure solutions. AI028NSPCO. Optimized for swamp and river environments. Delivering stable performance under challenging inland water conditions. Providing a reliable solution for regions characterized by wetlands and limited operational access. AI028PCL. A proven solution for province-wide river normalization programs, supporting long-term flood mitigation efforts. Retractable and extendable pontoon system, designed for adaptive water conditions. Integrated spud system, to maintain position and stability. Each project reflects our engineering capabilities, field-proven reliability, and commitment to quality. Moving forward, we continue to strengthen alignment between experience, innovation, and execution. Amphibious Indonesia, delivering trusted amphibious solutions for Indonesia's waterways.